got the clamp out there, but look at that tube. It's just plugged solid with trash. I don't know if I can make a video of me trying to get that out of there. Whoa. Whoa. It's a perfect little... Wow, it's like dog hair. These front loaders are probably not good for families that have a lot of dirty stuff, but I think that's gonna help it. Now I can at least, water will drain through there. I don't think we should be washing the comforters or the, you know, the little blankets that we use. It's just not made for this. This can't do that type of job. It seems like it just plugs, but look at that thing. Gosh. Ugh. I noticed that our shower drain is all messed up. I'm gonna go do that next.